accounts use this fruit AI storytelling video to get millions of views within the intervals of 2 months. You can see millions of views, 10 million views, 5 million views, 6 million views. As in, everything is about millions in this particular account. And for context, I've also generated a video like this.
What was that sound, Ben? You told me you were on a strict potassium-only cleanse.
It's nothing. Sound? I didn't hear anything. Just shifting some spreadsheets.
Very heavy spreadsheets. Open it, now. Donuts? After we promised to stay organic for the wedding?
Hey, Banana, you forgot your change at the bakery. Also, you still owe me for that double chocolate muffin from Tuesday.
Tuesday? He told me he was at the gym with you.
The only thing he lifted was a bear claw, honey.
You know what, Broccoli? Let's go get some real carbs. He can stay here and peel miserable.
So in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step breakdown on how you can generate this kind of video. So even when you're using a free tool, you can also generate this kind of video from beginning to the end. Because in this video, I'm going to take you step-by-step work on how you can generate this kind of video. So to start with that, you head over to Gemini app. So this particular tips I'm going to give you is actually beginner friendly for those people who do not know how to prompt AI. Okay, first of all, you open Gemini. Type on this plus sign, okay? Bring the fruit AI storytelling video you downloaded. So just allow it to load for some time. Let's say you've uploaded the video. Now this is the prompt that you're going to give to AI. Analyze the uploaded video and tell me step-by-step method that was used in generating this video. Okay, so now AI will bring the prompts, will bring the analyze it, and this is what I have. It will give you what was used in designing the work. Every AI tool that was used in designing it, Gemini is going to bring them to you. So in this case, I don't want to generate the exact video you uploaded from TikTok or from somewhere else. I want to generate my own video, but I want the same character of strawberry, banana, all those things. I want these things to play for me, but in a different script. Okay, so you give Gemini this. Tell Gemini to generate 30-second scripts, different from the uploaded scripts, but same character pattern. Now so now my 30-second script has been generated. Now this is a new script entirely different from the video you uploaded TikTok. Okay, so the other way is to looking guilty sweat. Okay, so this is the scene and everything. So after Gemini has given me the scripts, okay, so I will also go ahead and prompt Gemini to give me a scene prompt. Why am I saying Gemini to give me a scene prompt? Because a scene prompt will help me to know the location in which all of the events happen, okay? Give me scene prompts for the script generated. So now this scene prompt is simply so that I will have where the location and how this thing happened. Scene is actually the location, okay? So this is it. So after getting the scene prompt, we are heading over to profile character prompt. Why am I saying profile character? So that you'll be able to, profile character will help you to achieve character consistency all through your video, okay? So that your video will not take this face and also take this face. No, if you're talking about one person, it should actually be that one person. So a profile character will also guide us on how we can generate character consistency. So you head back to Gemini and give Gemini this prompt. It's give me a profile character prompt. Now Gemini has given me Benny the banana prompts. Now so for our image and video generation, we are going to be using Grok. So now that everything is all set, all what we just need to do is to generate our image, our scene image, and then we animate our video. The first thing we are going to create is our image, okay? So you come to where you have imagine. Take it to where you have imagine. Now in this particular place, you are going to settings. Now you're setting this thing to be either in 9.16, that's for short, or if you want to generate like a long video, you can generate 16.9. okay? You're checking the speed. I don't have duration 6 seconds, okay? Okay, fine. So for the image, you come back to Gemini where you generated the first image we are generating is our profile character image. Okay, the first one was Benny the banana prompt. So you copy this prompt, the banana prompt. Okay, you copy it, go back to Grok, this particular place, you tap on say type to make image. Okay, you paste your prompts. Okay, paste your prompts, then you send. The banana character has been generated. So the next thing you're going to do is for you to save this image. Okay, look for the one that best fits your work and save the image. Okay, fine. The second image we are generating is the strawberry, Stella the strawberry. Okay, so you copy image, paste. Okay, fine. You save. You look for one. Like I love this one. I told you. Okay, save one into your gallery. So the third one we are going to generate is the broccoli. You copy. Okay, you send. The broccoli images has been generated. As usual, you just have to save this one too into your gallery. Now let's go back there. You can see the only character that we have in this play is only 3 characters, which was the banana, the strawberry, and the broccoli. The 3 character is over. So for the first image generation, we are done with that one. Let's scene prompt. Okay, we are going there. Paste it. Now, after pasting for your scene prompt, you have to be very careful. You read out which character and which character is involved in this particular scene. Number scene 1 is your banana character is there. You can see an atrophic banana character wearing a native blue business. Okay, banana character is there and the strawberry character is there. Those are the 2 characters that we have in our first scene. So you go to the image, you bring this banana character and you mark the strawberry character, you add it, you go ahead, you generate this image. Bam, that is your first scene image. Tap on it, save it to your that was scene 1. You go back for scene 2, you see this one, you do the same thing for scene 2. Yeah, you paste it. Who is among the scene 2? It's only one scene that is there, which is only the banana. You send. Okay, this is it. You save. You do the same thing for scene 3 and scene 4. You do the same thing for scene 3 and scene 4, which is the okay. You copy, go back to Grok. This broccoli character works in casually through a large door. The broccoli is swimming and fashionable, so you bring in this character and from here. Okay, you can see it is just here. So and then we animate our videos. So if you are watching me to this end, just give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, it is actually free. Click on the subscribe button and you subscribe while we go forward. Now for our video generation, you still open Grok. When you tap on Grok, tap on here under imagine, you're going to take here to video. Okay, take it here to video. Now set your parameters. My parameter is 9.16. Fine. Type to make a video. You are going to bring in this scene image. The first one we had was this scene. This was our scene 1. We bring it there. Now we go back to Gemini. Okay, so you copy it, God will say type, you paste it here. So you send. So you give it some time for it to generate for you.
What was that sound, Ben? You told me you were on a strict potassium only cleanse.
It's nothing.
What was that sound, Ben?
You go back to scene 2. Okay, you copy the scene 2. So you are going to do like this. You copy scene 2, copy, you're still okay.
Sound? I didn't hear anything. Just shifting some spreadsheets.
Very
So
heavy.
that is how you're going to continue with scene 2, 3, 4 till you complete all the scenes and your video is gone. And when that is done, after doing that, take it to Capcut or any video editing app and couple your video. That's how you post your video. Actually, you've been able to generate your full AI talking video. I believe it's nothing step by step that you miss. Let me know in the comment section which other AI tools or AI tools do you want me to review next for you. Which other AI editing tips, AI tools do you want me to review next for you? See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow. Share this post for your friend and use this particular thing to make good money online.